What could be in here, I wonder. Let's take this out. What's going on, everyone? Today I got this mystery box here. Don't know what's in it. But as you can see, it was $11 for postage. I think that says 13/11/07. So that's a long time ago. I'll take this. Covers that was on here is almost coming off, so I'm going to take this off. Okay. We've got some foam there. Some styrofoam, yep. Lots of shredded paper. What could be in here, I wonder. Let's take this out. But whatever it is in here, I'll have a look. Let's open this up and have a look and see what's in it. Here we go, we've got a little note here. It says, "Thank you for buying from my auction. Hope it arrives safe. I hope it arrives safe. Please leave feedback. Contacted me." So this is obviously from somebody, an eBay seller from some time probably. I think I know what it is now. Oh, look at that. It's an old vintage radio. Old vintage valve radio, to be precise. Look at that there. That looks pretty good. Looks like it's in very good condition. Probably almost mint condition. Kreisler radio. We're going to plug it in and see if it works. Okay. We just plug the radio in. And we're going to turn it on and see what happens. As with all valve radios, they take some time to warm up to know whether it works or not. It does work, but unfortunately I can't pick up any stations because yeah, I'm in a very remote area. Oh. Yeah, let me know what you think. Give me subscribe. See you all later. Bye bye.